Hey guys, and welcome back to Mother's Barbecue. On this video, we are going to be grilling up some chili lime chicken with a grilled peach salsa. We're going to be cooking this all on the ZGrill. So let's get going. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and marinate our chicken thighs. I got 4 nice sized chicken thighs over here. Got a Ziploc bag. Gonna add in some vegetable oil, apple cider vinegar, some chili powder, some garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of salt, we got the juice of 2 limes, about 2 tablespoons. Go ahead and add our thighs in there. Get this sealed up and as much air out of it as possible. And we'll just get that marinade all the way through, mixed in there. All right, we're gonna set this in the fridge, let it marinate. I'm gonna go a couple hours. You can go overnight if you like. The thing with the acid from the lime juice is it will start to cook the chicken, and it does tend to make it a little bit mushy. So I only like to marinate for a couple hours, but you can do it anywhere from 30 minutes up to 8 hours overnight. So we'll get this in the fridge and move on to the grilled peach salsa. So for our grilled peach salsa, I got some nice peaches here. These are just plain yellow peaches. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these open. What I'm gonna do is just go ahead and quarter these. Now you can leave them halved if you wanna just grill them halved, but I like to get some char on both sides of these. So go ahead and take this one off. It also makes it easier to pull the seed out. Go ahead and get the rest of these cut up. We got the ZGrill cranked up all the way, 450 degrees. All right, we get some nice marks on these. They've been in for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them. All right, so I'm gonna take our grilled peaches here, and with a sharp knife, I'm gonna go ahead and dice these up. Get these over to a bowl. All right, so to our diced peaches, I'm gonna add just a little bit of jalapeno. Now, if you really wanna kick this up, I would go with some habanero or leave some of the seeds in of the jalapeno. Throw a little red onion in there. And I'm just eyeballing this. This is all the taste. Give this a gentle mix. Add a little bit more onion. Good pinch of cilantro. It's looking pretty good. And I'm going to squeeze in some lime juice. And again, this is just till taste, until you got it as you like it. Give this a quick toss. Hit it with a little bit of black pepper and a touch of salt. And that's it. Nice and simple, nice and fresh. This is great for the summertime. Let's give this a little taste. Oh, those grilled peaches are awesome. All right, we gotta let this sit in the fridge, let it come together. Let's grill up some chicken. All right, these things are looking great. Let's go ahead and pull these off. All right, we got our chicken thighs all plated up. We're gonna take some of our peach salsa here and just spoon it right over the top. Add a couple limes for garnish or to squeeze on, whatever you want. That's it, nice and simple, a great summertime dish. All right, let's see what we got here. Get a little bit of that peach. That is pretty good. Nice and healthy. You can substitute chicken breast if you like. Very summery, very light. It's definitely a good meal when it's nice and hot outside. It's got some sweetness. It's got some, you know, some little spice from that chili and the jalapenos. Definitely a winner. Remember guys, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next run. Thanks for watching.